ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you about my MP40. I got it for my birthday, but I got an early birthday present yesterday. And it's not a regular MP40 that shoots fast. It's an Airsoft one, but it's different. It shoots one bullet at a time. Now I'm going to tell you about it. My dad put a scope on it, but it used to not have a scope. So if you want to see the scope, you just pull it off like that. Alright, I'll show you how to reload it now. So there's a button that you press, and you can pull the mags down easy. If you want to shoot it, all you got to do is pull this back.
That's a charging handle?
Yep.
And it cocks it?
Yep.
Now is that hard for you to do?
Kind of.
Kind of. How old are you?
6, but I'm almost 7.
You're going to turn 7 in a couple weeks. And you can shoot it. So that's not too hard for a 7-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it has a laser on the sight, but you can only see it from looking down the sight.
It's called a red dot.
Yeah.
And the gun didn't come with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
What else does the gun come with, buddy?
It came with this, which that shows it if it's like a BB or Airsoft gun. If it doesn't have that, people would think it's real.
Yeah, neighbors. We don't want neighbors thinking you run around the yard with it.
And people be like, he's a bad guy. Pow, pow, pow.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Gun.
Yeah.
Because Airsoft and BB guns, they have the orange tip.
Okay. What else can it do? Is that a pistol or a rifle?
Rifle.
It doesn't look like a rifle. Don't have a stock.
Yeah, I'm joking. It's a machine gun.
Well, tell me about the stock. Where's the stock at, buddy?
It does not have a stock. Oh, it does. It does. I forgot.
Oh, you didn't press the button. Okay, cool. So it's a folding stock.
Yeah.
Cool.
But I don't like it. I like to have the stock under here. It's that looks dumb on me.
Well,
not that bad.
it's just a little big for you.
And it hurts my arm when I put it my whole arm.
Because it really is regular size and isn't made for a 6-year-old.
Hi, dog. Yep. This gun, you can't even be 16 to have this.
You're supposed to be, yes.
Yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to shoot it. Should I put the laser on first or do regular sight? What do you think, Daddy?
You could use a red dot, but it's a red dot, not a laser, buddy.
Come on, red dot, where you at?
Can you hit what you're aiming at with it?
Yep.
Were you shooting milk jugs outside?
Yep.
Was that fun?
There it is. There's an orange one and a green dot. Alright, I'm going to shoot at the wall. If it was loaded, it would bounce and hit something, and then bounce until something soft. It would go through that.
Yeah, so we don't shoot walls and stuff with the regular gun.
We shoot something and it just gets stuck into, like a target.
Like our cardboard box with our newspaper in it that we made.
Oh yeah, I remember that for my BB gun.
Yep.
Now my BB gun was a rifle. I'll show you how to shoot it. And it is kind of loud, but it's not like you need headphones. No, it's not that loud, huh? Now I'll do it without the red dot. There we go.
All right.
And for some people, if it's loud, their eyes blink. Because watch closely. Watch closely. See how my eyes blink?
Your eyes blink.
Yeah. It's hard.
So did you think that was a good birthday present?
Yep.
Did you think you were going to get something like that?
Yeah. You know how I know? I saw Dad looking at this Airsoft. I saw this MP40. I was like, Daddy, I know what that package is. It's a Airsoft MP40.
Which is kind of why you got it 2 weeks early.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Yeah.